Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to connect AvaTrade to TradingView. So the first step is just open your TradingView from here, make sure that you're logged in. So in here you will just have to click in here and tap on the products and then tap on super charts. Let's just wait for a moment. So in here we will see live stocks, the index and the graphs. So we'll just wait for it to load, and there we have it. So from here at the bottom you will see the trading panel. So we're just going to click on that one, and in here we're gonna click on show all brokers. So from here we're just going to find AvaTrade. So as you can see, there is no AvaTrade in here. We can only see the Ava futures, because you cannot directly connect AvaTrade to TradingView for live trading. So AvaTrade is not integrated broker inside the TradingView, so that's why you cannot connect the TradingView and AvaTrade. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!